get you anything to drink?
Yeah, can I have a water, please?
Sure. There you go.
Thank you.
Anything for you, miss?
No, I'm okay, thank you.
All right.
Oh man, where's this cup holder?
It's like so short.
It sucks.
Hello everybody, this is your captain speaking. We are experiencing some mild turbulence, so please wear your seatbelt.
Is everyone wearing their seatbelts? Are you all wearing your seatbelts? Ma'am, I need you to buckle your seatbelt. We are experiencing some major turbulence. Everyone needs to wear their seatbelts. Oh, look over there.
Introducing Skida. Named after the Swedish word for secure, it's here to keep your drink safe.
Can I get you anything to drink?
Can I have a water, please?
Oh, get your cup.
Sure thing.
Ah, thanks, Michaela.
There you are.
Look at that, right inside this cup holder.
Studies show that a high vis coating allows for high abrasion durability, increased corrosion resistance, and great refractivity. The 2.5 inches of supportive height of our cup holder keeps the cup steady.
Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. We are now experiencing some severe turbulence. Please fasten your seatbelts immediately.
Oh, look at this.
This is your captain speaking. Make sure that you fasten your seatbelts and stow away all tray tables. We are preparing for a landing.
Collapsing is simple. With our foldable silicone technology, the cup holder collapses flat for easy storage. The force required to raise and collapse the cup holder is designed with grip strength in mind. Studies show that an increase in handle size does not correlate to an increase in grip strength. So, our modest-sized lip gets the job done while storing compactly. Our users are all airplane passengers, and therefore our product was designed for the extremes, so that all may comfortably use it and stay secure no matter who is sitting around you.
The Skida is produced with food-grade silicone to ensure sanitary reusability, heat resistance, easy cleaning, and durability. It is manufactured at our facility using our custom-designed mold. The silica is polymerized, receives a blend of additives, injection molded, cured, and CNC trimmed to shape. Finally, it is coated in our hydrophobic sealants and treated with a high-vis coating to ensure visibility in dark airplane cabins. The Skida is 2.5 inches tall when fully expanded. It has a bottom diameter of 2.6 inches and a top diameter of 3.7 inches. It mounts to the tray table using the interlocking mechanism on the bottom of the cup. Each fold of silicone is 0.08 inches thick, and when fully collapsed, the cup holder storage area takes up 10.75 square inches of tray table space. Despite the strength of silicone material, regular wear and tear may cause damage to the cup holder long before the tray table. Because of this, the Skida was designed with the ability to be removed and replaced as needed. The cost of silicone is $20 per pound. Our product will weigh 2.4 ounces per product. So our material cost per product is $3. leaving our final sales cost at $11 to account for other costs in production. The cost is higher due to the strong and flexible silicone used to help ensure the SCIDA is easily collapsible for all users. A primary consideration with cost is the additional weight of the 2.4 grams from the cup holder to the traditional tray table, as airlines are very mindful of any additional weight added to their planes. There will also be extra costs to CNC the tray tables in order to have a complementary attachment mechanism for the SCIDA. This cost will be negotiated with our partner tray table manufacturers.
This is a product that will enhance airline passenger satisfaction and ultimately increase the quality of any airline experience. Make passenger satisfaction take flight by adding SCIDA to your airline today.